FE4034 Challenger 2, the gold and the silver version. You can also read that, some of the tank models. But I'm also mad at this because the silver model has a default barrel compared to the gold one. So let's take a look at the gold one first again. So this is the barrel it should come with, at least what is depicted on the picture. Some detail on the tank. Barrel could be a little stronger, but you guys can work on your model better probably than me. Top view, back view, side, bottom. No detailing on the bottom here. Actually, this thing doesn't even have camouflage, so I do have to mention on both models, this piece will be your worst nightmare as a piece. The metal is so thin to get the detailing. It just disintegrates in your hand. So sad. I would never be able to get it right unless they do something about that. And in my silver model, it just became unattachable. So I have that O there. But if you get it just right to the model that won't shatter in your hand, you see how thin that metal is with those holes? It just disintegrates in your hand. So here's the default barrel, which upsets me because I want this long one and I don't want to build this thing again. I don't want to rebuild models, so there's that. And you won't know what kind of barrel you get until you actually open up the box, which sucks, so you have to buy it. But that's fine. I mean, tanks look cool. Get some nice angles. 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 Away from the light. Angles. Okay. Angles. Yep. Not perfect model, but I mean, it's good enough, right?